Good AM. Today is November 7, 2023 Tuesday, and here are the 10:30 AM Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the STL Swear 3 10:30 AM result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for November 7, 2023 Tuesday. Here are the STL Swear 3 10:30 AM result for Mandawi City under Fiona Trading and Supply Corporation for Tuesday, November 7, 2023. Thank you for watching this 10:30 AM video for morning of November 7, 2023, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.